It's a beautiful morning here in Dublin. There you go, look, you can see up there. Unbelievably good weather. There's my studio. That's where most of the things, the creative things happen. Apart from the computery stuff, which I do upstairs. I keep the computer out of my art studio just to keep things separate. Otherwise I'll be on the computer all the time. Let me just turn around here and let you know that this morning I heard the knock on the door. The postman was coming early, and this arrived. Here, look at that. That is one of the T-shirts arrived from the Scooterola.com. I ordered one for myself to see what they're like, and this came all the way from Starter Street in Riga in Latvia, which I'm sure is a lovely place. So I'm going to open the package now and see what the results are. Slip the knife in here. Nice Opinel knife. Oh, both T-shirts are in here. That's good. Okay. What does that say? The ship date February the 20th, and today it's the 26th. That's not bad. That's pretty damn quick since ordering. Yeah, 6 days. I mean, I can go with that. That's pretty good. And let's have a look at the T-shirt. More packaging to open. Nicely packaged up with the logo at the front. This one's the green T-shirt. I don't know how good the colour is on this machine. There's a sticky label on there now. It's the Scooter All Stars. And this is, what is it? A canvas and Bella. It's a good brand of T-shirt, huh? Large. Okay. And there it is. This label can come off. Don't need that. There it is. The Scooter All Stars. That's one. Put that there. Let's open the other one. Another Canvas and Bella shirt. This one is blue. Which blue is it? Heather Midnight Navy, this one. Heather Midnight Navy. And this is the Centurion. 40 years anniversary design on the heather blue T-shirt, which is the one. Take that label off again. There you go. There. And what have I got here? No, nothing in there. Can't see anything else. Just to show you. Bella and Canvas again. Yeah. Okay. Heather Forest, large. This is a large T-shirt. Now I'm 44 chest and I'm about 5 foot, 5'10" and a half, something like that. The 44-inch chest is so kind of. I think I'd sort of get myself an extra large the next time. This is reasonably tight fitting for me. And this one is a large, but the cotton is lovely. Cotton's a lovely soft feel to it anyway. I was probably, I think I should have got an extra large for myself, but yeah, it's nice. Fits very comfortably. The logo is properly centered. It's well printed. Yeah, good job on that one. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. See what that. See, don't want to show my beer belly too much. Just can't seem to get rid of the old beer belly. Anyway. There we go. That's the Centurion 40th anniversary T-shirt in Heather Midnight Blue. So there you go. And I'm going to finish my catwalk for this morning and then go off and do some more work. Bye.